I told you about that. Come around the corner.
Well, this is our new site. So I just want to show a couple of the changes we made.
Well, day 14, life on the road. We didn't make it out of Wisconsin yet. But we got things done to our trailer that we had to get done. We found out what we needed. Now we wait.
Hey, we're out of Wisconsin. We're in Michigan.
Oh yeah, okay, we're in Michigan now. Book 'em, Daniel. And Andrea, come up this way and get gas like 80 cents cheaper than Antigo. Anyways, check out the channel. Why do we buy bread? You can't break it, try to eat the fucker.
Because they're chips. Red chips.
The stale bread.
Who's dunking your cheese bread?
Look at this. Guaranteed fresh. That ain't fresh. You ever get the Menominee, Michigan? Check out Jack's grocery store. All kinds of good stuff there. Reasonably priced. Whatever that is anymore. Nobody knows for sure.
Who knows?
Daniel and Andrea, I know you guys come up this way, so stop in. You come out to our little park we got here. It's a very good park. Lake Michigan.
John something, Barb.
If you guys wonder why I'm on diabetes, but 3 months ago I was at 450 average blood glucose. I'm down to 99 now. Well, it's time to talk to old Doc there. I'll talk with Doc Google first, boy. Pills and insulin, my God. Sleeping. Before we got on the road, I got 3 to 4 hours a night. Now I'm blowing 12 to 14 hours a night. There. No, I don't know. Maybe it has something to do being on the road. I do not know.
It has everything to do because you're not laying on the couch all day. So yes, it has everything to do with being on the road.
I know I wasn't talking to somebody.
Being on the road forces you to be more active.
Who invited you into this conversation?
Me.
Okay. Doc Google has spoken. Yeah, everything's good. Mama happy. She don't beat me up no more. Oh, last night sneaking my 9mm over by your pillow so you could lock me. Took that away. No video on it though.
No, because it never happened.
Yep. Alright, from the other side of the tent, you from the one over.
Remember, if
Nine.
there's no video, it never happened.
Oh.
Let them blow away.
Here's a question for you, subs of mine. How long should refrigerator 12 volt run on solely with 300 amp batteries? 3 100 amps or 300 amps? Let me know what you know.
Okay guys, now we're just going to sit, relax, and enjoy this absolutely beautiful Lake Michigan Lakeside Park in Menominee, Michigan. And right across the way there is Marinette, Wisconsin. which is also has some beautiful parks.
Oh no, we can't go past the light. Don't go in the light. Okay. No, what this is?
Yeah, what the heck is this strange looking object here? Huh. Some kind of weird technology? Anybody knows? Comment below.
Ta-da!
Woo, it's a storming. Woo. Oh, everything's soaking wet. Oh my god, I forgot to put our shoes underneath the camper. Oh, we got somewhat of a lake on the rug here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a lake starting there.
Running downhill.
We are going to have a mess to deal with tomorrow. Whew.
No?
Well, it looks like the wind has pretty much stopped. The rain is still going. Yeah, we're supposed to be having 2 hours of storms. Or 3 hours? You said 3 hours. Oh. Well, we had those 2 great big claps of thunder and that was it, huh?
Here comes the rain.
Now we're just going to get a bunch of rain.
Well, we survived the storm.
Yeah, so far it doesn't look like anything's leaking anywhere, so that's good.
It could be. Hey, Cubby. You don't know for sure. Will we survive next week? Open.
Okay guys, we got quite a lot of rain last night, but thank the heavens we didn't have any leaks that we could find. Everything is nice and dry. Very loud, but it's a nice soothing noise. So I just want to show you a couple of the changes we made. We decided that we are not going to get a wood stove, so the toiletries go back there. We're just going to get a diesel heater, which provides nice, dry, comforting heat just like a wood stove does, and you don't have all the mess. Also, we of course added our carpeting. Carpeting always makes it much nicer, you know, even though it's harder to keep clean. Makes it more cozy. And for some reason, Jaco did not put a step. So we had to build a step here to make it easier to get in and out of bed and to make the bed, which is always an acrobatic event. Okay.
Oh shit, no, no! That's a mess down there.
Yeah, we were in a work in progress, our solar system here. We got 2 batteries. We're going to add a 3rd battery, and we have 3 solar panels, 130 watts each, but we're going to add 2 more. We found out you can easily run a refrigerator on 200 watts of solar, but we're also going to have the diesel heater, which will need some battery power, and we'll have all our gadgets that we need charging all the time. So we figure 650 ought to be quite sufficient. Do you not agree?
This is why I say yes.
Yes. Read the script. Read the script.
Asshole agrees without talking again. Yes.
There you got it. You're getting it. You're getting it. The Berkey is working out really well, so that was a good tweak. And I think the last tweak so far would be the clothes. We were having a problem with the clothes all being lumped together and digging through, so we bought this portable clothes rack. It was too tall, so we did have to leave some of the legs off, but it's working out pretty good. Frees up a lot of space there. And I might just put some curtains across there so we don't have to look at that mess all the time. But that's down the road. We're trying to think of a more comfortable setup for the dinette, but that's still in the works. I think that might be pretty much it. Everything is coming together pretty well. Our refrigerator did go to pot. So while we're waiting to increase our solar and get the new fridge, we had to buy a regular cooler just to use temporarily. Well, this is our new site. We are here for 2 weeks, and then hopefully we will be heading to Minnesota. We got to finish our solar. We're adding more solar and all the tweaks I told you about, so we got to get all that done. And we actually put our awning out for the first time. Ain't that toot? So that's going to be nice to have when we get out in the open west. So I think we've been hearing a lot of swans at night making a whole big ruckus. So I'm going to take a walk down the lake, see if I can find the swans. Okay, down to the beach we go.
Now, which way do you go? I go this way, easy.
Look at the pretty flowers, though.
Look at the pretty.
Yeah, probably a little slippery after the rain last night.
Not bad.
Yeah, we heard the swans and the loons and a big old owl. It was just a medley of birds. What do you see?
A fisherman.
Oh, a fisherman. Oh yeah, there's the swans back there. Hopefully they're not too far. I can zoom in on them. Swan butts. Now, where could the loons be? They're much harder to find. Mosquitoes are pretty bad here, but it's a beautiful breezy day, so the mosquitoes are retreating back into the woods. So we're just going to enjoy a little time at the beach here, and then we're going to go have lunch. And we just saw a big blue fly across the lake, so I'm going to see if I can find them. We didn't see him go over the trees, so he might have landed over here somewhere. And could be anywhere down that coast there. I can't see them though. All of a sudden, there he is. You just never know.
You know, maybe one day we might just get you where you come down here with food and stuff and point your tripod out there.
Yeah.
And see what you get. You don't get nothing, you don't get nothing, but you have a good dinner.
Yeah. It's a good idea.
Dragonflies are out.
Yeah, they're having a good old time, if you know what I mean. It's a dragonfly orgy.
Where? Get it on film. Oh, there you go. Oh,
Whoa!
yeah, I told you about that. Come around the corner. Yeah, I did tell you.
A yearling, huh?
Not more than a yearling.
I think it's pretty small, but it looked healthy and everything.
Oh, yeah, he was fast moving
Wow.
bucket. Yeah, remember the corners I talked about? And
First
bears?
one we've seen in a long time.
Yeah.
I wonder if your camera picked up. Should have.
Should have. He's
We
close.
were pretty close, yeah.
Yeah.